down Fleatchers floodwater. We are going out to that point out there. Hook into some bluegill and basically panfish perch. Did good this morning. Me and J-Rock right there, other known as Downey, got one muskie, and we beat the crap out of panfish. We're doing pretty good. It's the second weekend we've been up here. We've hooked in the 2 muskies so far. A whole bunch of panfish. Caught a whole bunch today. There's your loons right there, J-Rock. Your elk, I mean. Yep. There's no one, basically there's no one out here. We got one ship, one boat way out there. Got a boat right there, boat right there. None behind us. Got a private boat dock right there. Yeah, we're gonna hook into some panfish and perch. The old Johnson 6, Carl's using her. It's already smoked a log on the way out here and blew the back end off pretty much. J-Rock was laughing his ass off. Fucking GoPro waterfowl. Yeah. There's basically no one out here today. Nice day, a little bit choppy. This morning it was pretty fair. It was calm. And then the wind picked up and we thought we had a storm coming in. Alright. We thought we had a storm coming in, but that didn't happen. So we had to leave the water. It's getting way too choppy for the 10-footer. Tomorrow morning, me and J-Rock are going to go out to bar stumps out there. Hook into some muskie pike. That'd be good money. I know. Yeah, so people staring at us because they're retarded. But we're gonna hook in the panfish. Perch, like I already said. We caught a muskie off of caught 2 muskies this morning. Actually, I'm not opening that right now, but we caught it off of a silver streak spoon and another purple and black spoon. I think it's called Stinger or something like that. I don't know. It's so many fucking hook names. We hooked. Alright. And we're getting into the channel. It's getting pretty deep right here. Right here? Hang on, wait, let's go out more. I'll tell you when we find a good weed bed. I'm waiting until we slow down and throw the ink. Nice mean piss, he says. Yeah.
Oh my God, dude, sit down!
Looking pretty good. So, we'll get back with you. GoPro waterfowl. Talk to you later.